So I'm out in the Wanderlodge and doing some projects today. I had the new water temp gauge that we got right here, and we're going to be replacing the water temp gauge in the dash cluster. So I just took 5 screws out, folded that down, and this is what it all looks like. Got my wires labeled, just make sure I don't get them wrong here. And then here's the oil temp gauge that we replaced, and this is the one, if you saw one of my videos, where it's still, it used to not work. Now it goes like to the max temperature, so something's not right. And I think I'll take a picture of this and post it on one of the sites and just ask if anybody knows if this wiring, for starters, looks right. I mean, it looks like the green wires are these signal wires, which goes to the S post, and then you got your ground, and then really all you got is an ignition. So I'll have to double check those and see if they are linked up over here with the other gauge for the same wiring, which I believe they are. So at this point they think, probably the sending unit, is something wrong with that. But anyway, I'm turn off my 12 volt here and get her done. Oh, and in case you're wondering on the bulb, because it wasn't so intuitive, but it does have spring clips, and it just pushes into the hole, and then they have that little dollop of sealant to kind of keep it in there, probably so that it doesn't accidentally pop out, I imagine, behind the dash. I guess I'll hit a little dollop of it on here for the one that was replaced recently, just to take that safeguard. Alright, everything installed pretty straightforward and easy, and I'd already turned the ignition on, and this thing, reset down to where it's supposed to. But I'll turn it on here real quick. You see it drop down. Guess it's supposed to do that from what I understand. But looks good, looks like it's working, and now we just got to figure out the oil temp gauge next.